Hi everyone, welcome back to Omi's Home Cooking. Today's recipe is Balushahi. In some parts of India, it's also called Badusha. It's also known as Indian donut, but the taste and texture of Balushahi is way different from donuts. It's crispy from outside and soft and flaky from inside. You can easily make this delicious Balushahi at home using only few ingredients. So let's get started with the recipe of Balushahi. To make balushahi, I'm going to sieve dry ingredients first. For that, I'm using 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, which is plain flour. Now add a quarter teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Salt helps to balance and enhance the flavor of all other ingredients. Now sieve them in a large bowl. Now add a quarter cup of ghee and mix all the ingredients well. Crumble the mixture. Ghee will give balushahi quite crispy and flaky texture. Once mixed well, then add 4 tablespoons of yogurt and mix it well to make soft dough. This amount of ghee and yogurt will be enough to prepare a smooth dough, but if your dough is still a bit crumbly, then you can add a small amount of water as required. We don't need to knead it too much, just mix it well, and when mixture comes together to form soft dough, then cover it with wet muslin or cotton cloth. Let it set for about 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, we can prepare sugar syrup, which is chashni. For sugar syrup, I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. Cook on medium to high flame and mix them well. Once sugar is dissolved, then add 1.5 tablespoons of milk to the syrup and allow to boil some more. A scum will be formed on the surface. Remove this by skimming the syrup with a spoon or strain it through a metal sieve. Then put it back to boil. We need to prepare syrup with its consistency of 1 string. To check the consistency, dip the spatula in the syrup and lift it out. Allow cooling it for few seconds as it will be very hot at first. Now touch the syrup to check if you can get 1 string. As you can see, this syrup is forming 1 string. So I'm going to turn the heat off and let's get back to the dough. Dough is now ready and it's not too hard or too soft. Take a small portion of the dough and roll it to make a small ball and make a slight dent in the center. Now prepare all the balls. Now heat oil or ghee in a karai on a medium heat and gently drop in the prepared dough balls and fry them on low heat. Perfect texture of balushahi is really important, so balushahi can absorb this syrup as well. So once balushahi start floating on the top, gently turn them around and cook the other side till it's golden brown. You will notice a rough surface and flakes. That's a perfect texture that we need, but it's still quite soft, so keep frying them on low heat until it goes crunchy and golden brown. Turn the sides until both sides are done well. My balushahi is almost done and I'm going to take them out. As you can see, its color is so beautiful, it's quite crunchy and flaky. It's gonna absorb the right amount of syrup as well. Take all the balushais out and place them in a plate, and now it's time to give some sweetness. Soak the prepared balushai in warm sugar syrup. Either you dip them in the syrup or pour the syrup on them. Garnish it with a pistachio. I've got few blanched and diced pistachio, using only few pieces on each balushai. It makes them look more delicious and tempting. I'm going to take them out to place them in a separate plate as they have soaked enough syrup. So Balushahi with a perfect texture and taste is now ready. Enjoy it with your friends and family for any occasion. Don't forget to let us know if you have enjoyed this Balushahi, and if you have enjoyed the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel by clicking on the bell icon as well to get notification of all the upcoming recipes. You can also choose to watch our next video or a playlist, and you can subscribe our channel using the icon on the screen or a link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe.